All right.
Today is the day.
Yes, we're making pepper crusted ribeyes with a lobster au poivre sauce. And with some mushrooms and sugar snap peas. So first thing you ever want to do when you're cooking steak is you want to pull them out and let them come to room or ambient temperature. Let them sit out for 30 minutes or so. We're gonna get our ingredients. A couple really beautiful ribeyes. Just gonna season them up real quick and then let them sit. Well, we're gonna start our mushrooms because they'll take the longest to get done.
And when you cook mushrooms, you don't want to crowd the pan. We might end up be crowding the pan though. That looks yummy. That'd make a vegetarian hungry.
All right, we're gonna throw a little bit of smoked sea salt on both sides. And then basically use a ton of peppercorns that's already pre-grounded.
And a little tip to make it easier, you can grind up some fresh peppercorn and then just add just a little filler of pre-cracked peppercorn like kitchen pepper. And it still tastes good, great and fresh, but not all the extra work.
So all those are just gonna sit there for a little bit, come up to temperature, and then we'll throw them on the grill. Next is our mushrooms and some onion. So we're just gonna quarter these and cook them down with some butter, a little beef stock that we have left over, and some onion. All right, mushrooms are done. Now we're just gonna take an onion.
Peel that little skin off and try not to cry.
Should do some sliced onion with it. There we go, mushrooms and onion. All right, all we need is some butter. And of course, we are using our little Coleman butane stove.
This little thing is awesome. It has worked wonders for us, and it's a small little package.
And it's perfect. Throw it, go. We've made so much with it, and we have all different kinds, but I mean, we like the Coleman. We have one other one that we like a little better.
Yeah.
Because you can use dual fuel, either propane or butane.
Yep, the ability of two different fuels, more convenient just in case, because basically you can always find a little butane can or a little propane can.
There are mushrooms in. And we'll just let them do their thing.
It's not really crowded.
A little salt.
Ooh, smoke salt at that.
And, you know, just a little bit of pepper. We got enough pepper going on. Get those going for a couple minutes, and then we'll throw in our onion, and then we'll throw in some beef stock and let it just cook down and get all delicious like.
Yeah. Let those flavors concentrate. What's cool about letting these rest with the salt and pepper on them is that salt's gonna really penetrate that meat.
Waiting for that, and then by the time those are done, the steaks will go on. We'll cook about 3.5 minutes each side. Let it rest 5 minutes, make the sauce while it's resting. Boom, have a beautiful meal.
I'm looking forward to it.
And also to that, we will be adding some sugar snap peas towards the end. And a good tip is go ahead and blanch like your vegetables so that when you're ready to cook with them, it takes no time. That's what we do in the restaurant, so might as well do it at home too. And it makes camping a lot better when things are kind of par done.
Getting some prep done makes everything more efficient.
I have some beef stock left over.
What did you just say?
Duck it, you know.
Oh yeah, show me your fist.
The duck lard. Two favorite things, duck and fat.
Ooh, look at that.
Let that kind of reduce down, cook those mushrooms, get all delicious, but I'm gonna clean up because you know what? Clean as you go. It's not a pain in the butt at the end.
Yeah, nobody likes to clean after you've already finished your food, like making your plate. Nobody likes to clean at that time. So just clean the whole way through and you don't have to worry about it. At the very end, you get to enjoy your food. Ooh, that's nice. Lovely. Dehydrated basil, half a teaspoon.
Throw in some garlic powder, just give us a little garlic powder. About a half teaspoon.
1 cup beef stock, 8-ounce mushroom, half a red onion, half a teaspoon of basil, half a teaspoon of garlic.
And about 4 tablespoons of butter.
Over to the dish pit.
My favorite spot.
Yes, lakeside. Although I will say, it's very nice getting to wash dishes in a 3-compartment sink.
All right, that's done. Let's go check those mushrooms. I'm gonna take a taste of it. Oh, wow. No.
It's good.
Yeah, hot, but it's actually really good.
Wow. That's good. Delicious beefy flavor.
This is our leftover lobster bisque that we're going to turn into a sauce. Adding some truffle hot sauce, horseradish.
And this is good horseradish.
Maybe a little cream if we need a little extra.
Engelhofer cream style horseradish. Hey, it even says America's first.
Steak.
Apparently that timer sucks.
It's good, but not good for seconds.
No, that's a new timer to me.
Oh yeah, I was trying that one out.
So why is this one not good for seconds?
Because I can't adjust the seconds.
Why? That's crazy.
I don't. Or
If you know how to adjust the seconds, let us know.
probably because I threw away the directions and.
I don't know. Huh. Oh yeah, on the Blackstone.
I'm gonna cook these steaks for 3.5 minutes per side and a 5-minute rest. Got our griddle medium high-ish, so that make a nice crust. Let them sit there.
Yeah, about 12 additional ounces of green beans.
That's gonna be our family side.
There's nothing wrong with cooking family style. In fact, it's a little easier because you don't need so many different plates. I can smell the ribeyes.
Now remember, you just gotta leave them there. Don't mess with them.
Don't touch them.
Just let them do their thing.
Otherwise, you won't get a good crust. I'm excited about this. Did you try one?
Warming up.
Whoa.
The mushroom?
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
That mushroom exploded with flavor. They are.
It's really just the butter and the beef stock make a good beef stock. Even if you don't have leftover beef stock, just take a good beef bouillon cube, some hot water, and some little kitchen bouquet together. Then there's your beef stock you can use. I'd rather use the beef bouillon just for the fact that a lot of the canned and other stuff may have way too much salt, and you can kind of control your salt. All right, time to flip the steaks.
Yeah. 3.5 more minutes and we'll have some steaks to rest. I'll take care of that one.
Oh, good. All right, timer's going off. I'm gonna take these bad boys, cover them, and let them rest for 5 minutes. They've been working hard, they want a break. Now we're gonna get to the sauce. Take about 2 cups left over of our lobster bisque we had the other day. Don't like to waste things, but like to reinvent them. And then to that, go about a half teaspoon of fresh cracked pepper. And take the horseradish sauce, about a tablespoon truffle hot sauce.
Ooh,
Which is different. So about a teaspoon, maybe a teaspoon and a half. And we're gonna add a little dill, because ribeyes and dill go very well.
And we want this recipe to be a big dill.
Oh my goodness. Give it a stir. All you gotta do, that's how simple. Just bringing it back, taking leftovers and turning it into a nice delicious sauce.
Nothing better than that. Wow, that truffle is a nice touch. And that horseradish kind of gives you that nasal heat. It's awesome.
See how easy? It's done. Now we got 2 minutes before we can slice up our steaks and put everything together.
Are you guys ready? Because I am.
And we didn't need any cream, so.
Lunch is ready. Little garnish.
No, just a little green, but we're gonna take a little bit of our sauce.
Yeah, those flavors are gonna complement each other so well. Ribeye Au Poivre.
All right,
Yes,
now,
please.
the best part, we get to eat.
Woohoo!
Just the right enough heat from the pepper. It's almost like a surf and turf with the lobster au poivre sauce. The cook on the steak is beautiful. I am a steak cooking champ.
That is true.
Easy, simple sides. You don't always need a baked potato with a steak.
That was awesome.
That was delicious. Now I'm ready for a hike.
Don't forget to like and subscribe,
All that fun stuff.
comment, let us know what you think. If you know how to use that timer, let us know how to use it.
Remember, keep camping and keep cooking.
Yeah.